Yo, what's up? We just arrived to the very exciting location today in Bangkok. What's the name, Saya?
So we just arrived in Wang Lang area and now we are heading to Wang Lang market. So let's explore how is the local life in Bangkok, especially in Wang Lang area.
Because this area is not so touristy, at least that's what we find out. But let's see. Before we're gonna start exploration, in case if you ask how to get there, the easiest and the cheapest way is to take a BTS to the Savan taxing and take an orange line local boat. We come from this one and it's cost us 16 baht, and now we're gonna explore the market. Also you can take a tuk-tuk or taxi, of course.
So when we arrived, first of all, just arrived there already like street food vendor. Let's explore first how it is inside the market and later on we can shop.
This is just the entrance, it's not even actual market, I think so, but already so much interesting goodies over here as well. And also they have a Cafe Amazon even, in case if you need coffee. And this is how does it look like, probably the way to the market. Let's explore today something different than usual. Actually we find out as this is already the market. So actually it's the regular stuff as the food combined with the clothes and other accessories everywhere around. But with that difference as there are only few tourists here, not so many. And I read somewhere as during the pandemic times there was only locals actually coming here. But well, it must be more popular right now. Also the Grab motorbike is driving here, so you can feel Asia here. Let's see what that. Okay, let's explore. Clothes, looking for food. I'm more interested into food. Didn't have a lunch today yet. Like this guy is selling the satay here maybe. And you can have a local version of the cola as well in the glass bottle. That's cool. Actually, I should try this local Coke as well. And well, it's actually quite busy. I wasn't expecting as busy as that on this market. Also, as this is not on the guides, no books writing about this market. We just found out somewhere online. I don't know. Where you found actually about this market?
Instagram.
Oh, okay, Instagram. Okay, now you know. Some Indian music here, and this is also very nice alternative to the markets like Chatuchak, which is very tourist popular market. Everybody know about this market. This one is definitely more local. You can already feel the different vibes here, and also the prices are pretty different because you can find the 3 bags of the fruit for 50 bahts only, and so many nice, interesting foods here. We're gonna have something, that's for sure. This is how they deliver ice in this market. So they're driving the pickup trucks and they have a box with the ice like this one, and they're gonna deliver to the establishment. So that's when the ice coming from the company, from the factory. But of course you can find some tourist goods like a box or something, but not so many. Mostly focusing about the food actually, and you can find very interesting stalls here.
And beside the foods, you also can shop so many, different types of clothes, which is, I think, from the price more affordable. Wow.
Oh, there is even nice place to eat, and they have some local cheese here. Also, I realized so many people from the school coming here after the school probably. They have also some nice looking little places to eat here with the old style building, like still with the roof from the wood and stuff like this one. Sitting inside, pretty busy, but most of the things are in the Thai language, so I have no idea what they are selling actually.
Definitely I have to study, but actually my school will be started in March, so yeah, I still have time to mingle around, walk around Bangkok before I start my school.
That's cool. Also some here very nice style with the local sausage on the grill. Looks actually very tempting as well. This is the building what we are talking before. Actually, I just showing you on different lens right now. It's beautiful weather in Bangkok, right? Like I said yesterday, January, February is the great time to come to Bangkok. And we're gonna find out what else is inside the market. Also, they have a very nice gophers here, or the waffles. So they're delivering the gas bottles on the motorbike. So this is still very Asian vibe, which is actually, to be honest, I really like it, like this one. Also, there is like a Wang Riverside, I don't know, hotel or something. So it's not only as actually maybe apartments actually. There is another main street like, so we're gonna explore. This market definitely feel more local than the previous one what we saw, that's without any doubts. There's also so many local people, only few visitors, including us here. Satires are everywhere, as you can see, beautiful. Also 10 bahts anywhere elsewhere, they are usually 15 or 20, so you can see the differences already with the prices. And everybody cooking something here.
So one thing that I just realized when I look at this one, they also the same like in Bali. They're wrapping the trees, the holy trees with the special cloth. So yeah, holy place.
Holy place. And also they selling the fruits and veg. Here some nice meats like fishes and some sausages, some nice foods. Well, just don't know what to eat and what to choose. We're gonna do that probably the same like in Vietnam. We're just gonna come and try to gesture whatever it is. But 7-Eleven must be anywhere, even fit between stalls here. As Bareli, you can see, as that they have a nice sherries here, import 220, but it's still kind of affordable when I saw last time in somewhere else. Well, and that's how it looks the market. Fruits, strawberries, clothes, toys, dresses. Not so many souvenirs, that's what I already mentioned, but overall it's very vibrant here. As you can see, they have a small little temples also inside the restaurants and the bars and the establishments. There's some food options here, like a little crabs and some seafood, maybe some soups. But as you can see, everything here is already in Thai language, so I have no idea what is it and what does it mean. Also deep inside, they have like a hall, and they also have a shop, but mostly like a clothes there. Delivery guys. Okay, let's get more there. There is some stall on the wheels. As you can see, the lady here making a business, which is also very cool. This is very Asian vibe here. And the first week we experienced so much tourist areas, but now we are starting with the local vibing and check this out. Very nice, but I have no idea what is it, huh?
I don't know. Let's explore more and then maybe we stop somewhere.
For sure we're gonna. Let's explore more. They have a nice also stalls here with so much food. Meanwhile, some teas and coffees also. And this restaurant is also looking very pretty nice. And yeah, this shell is actually imported from USA for 220 bahts per pack. Also some desserts options here. And some other stuff here with, I have still again no idea what is it, something with the rice. That's really what it adapts. And getting busier and busier actually here. You can find the water here for 10 bahts, so definitely different prices here. Oh, this is the gyoza for 11 bahts. Looking nice, huh? The guy here trying to go with his car, and behind him there is the motorbike. So this is like a local market vibes. This is what I really like to film. It's very easy to making videos like this one. Also some temple. Beautiful gyoza here. Lottery also. Have no idea how to play. If even I can play, even if I win, if I can take money after that. This guy, and yeah, so cool. Also seems like many people after work or after school, especially the students coming here for chilling and eating. And wow, juice here 20 bahts. This one is actually, you can find sometimes like this, but that's probably overall cost of the oranges is like that one, as you have to make it prices like this one. Fruits, well, some meats here like this one. Very vibrant market. Also some chickens here with the ladies and the men preparing like this one. So many options, and also something here is very interesting. I have no idea what is it either. If the auntie is selling.
I want to try this one.
What is it? I don't know.
Fish cake.
Fish cake? 8 for 40 bahts if you would like to. How to say it?
I don't know. I didn't go to school yet. My school started at the end of March, but this one.
8 pieces?
8 pieces, 40.
40 baht, huh?
This one, the fish cake.
Oh, fish cake like this one? Cool.
Yes.
And auntie is cooking?
Yes.
Cutting off? Cool.
Yeah.
Winnie is making a transaction. It's cost 40 bahts. Okay, let's try somewhere. Tell me what is inside.
The fish cake with I think the spices.
I think
this costs around 40 with the 8 pieces.
Yeah, but I
sweet, sour.
But is it fish inside? No?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Fish cake.
Okay,
The
cool.
taste of the fish. You wanna try?
Very spicy?
No.
I will try one. Yeah, very interesting taste. I can feel the fish meat, but the bread it's like, I don't know.
This one is fish cake.
Okay, It's not spicy, okay?
No, so good.
Nice. This lady is cooking something very interesting, like a small egg something with the corn, huh?
Like quail.
Yeah. Nice thing about the Thailand is that still you can find the Coke in the glass bottles, in the esky boxes like this one on every single corner from the aunties, and it's cost you 20 baht, which is very affordable still. As the Coke lover, of course. Spicy thing. Actually, the sauce actually was underneath the bag. On the top was no spicy, but actually if you keep eating it's spicy, very spicy. We had our little snack and the Coke there. There's actually, you know, more close. There's like a coffee shop here. Also cool place to make a coffee maybe. There's like a desserts, actually it's go together, coffee and cakes, you know, stuff like this one. And well, I just want to show you a little bit of these beautiful cables everywhere over here. So I'm always letting me know about the cables and the tuk-tuks. Okay, well, and this is the main street actually already, somewhere in the area over here. I think this is the train or the road actually up there. Wang Lang, Trok Wang Lang, 22. Just in case if you would like to come here by yourself. And the market is there, and then you go straight, there will be the river. And the river taxi, obviously. Okay, what we are doing now? Let's explore a little bit more, yeah?
Yeah.
As we are already here. Breads, they have actually nice selection of many things here. They have old buses here in Bangkok, followed with the new buses. As you can see, new bus is very like a modern with the lights and everything how it's supposed to be, and the old one is like a old school. Also, they're making pancakes here. There's uncle, auntie. And you can buy actually pancakes. Maybe we could take one of these pancakes. What do you think? It's looking nice, no? Oh, with the traditional, nice, with the wood and everything. So cooked into traditional way. So you wanna try this one? Looks very tempting, huh?
Yes.
Let's try it. I don't know how much is it you ask. Like in Bali, you always ask.
Yeah. Uncle, what? 30?
40.
40.
40. Okay, good. 40 baht, sir.
It's like a pancake. I don't know. We'll
Show
try.
closer to the camera. Oh, looks soft and nice.
Soft, nice, and sweet.
Sweet? Okay, that's the most important thing. I love sweet things, like you. I had already 2 or 3, and I'm gonna tell you, it tastes like a homemade magdalenes or something like that. In Europe, they sell it, so you should know that. Very nice. Soft, fresh, 40 baht. You can also have a sugar cane juice, the fresh one, for 20 baht, small one, I believe. So we are strolling around the market and we get to the main street. There is a nice looking place to eat something. This is the main street here, like this one, the tuk-tuks and taxis casually are driving. And well, we're gonna come back. This is 7-Eleven, by the way, just you can see the logo behind the cables. And next door is also the KFC. So the name of the street, Wang Lang 5. Okay, let's get back inside. Also, you can buy some electronics here. Look at this guy have a decoration as the big airport wingle around. So cool. Okay, something like this one as well. Taking some ham balls, 5 for 30 bahts. Let's see, they offer also salmon, tuna, squid, shrimp. Let's see. Let's try. Yeah, we're gonna get the sauce on it. We don't need the sauce. Thank you, okay, let's try it. I will feed you, Saya, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. I'm trying to use the chopstick to feed my wife while filming myself. This is not that easy job, actually. Oh my God.
I can do it.
No, I will do it. Okay, try, baby. So sweet. How is it? That's the big bowl. Look at like this one, very nice. Why Winny trying to swallow? I wanna show you.
How good this one?
Spicy?
Sweet.
Now is the time to try some satés here for 10 bahts only from this lovely auntie. She's cooking. I'm gonna try a little bit of everything, right? 2 pieces. Alright, 20 baht. Cheers, sayang. Satay. Nice. This is like a mix of the meat, you know, it's like not proper chunk of the meat, but like, you know.
Sweet.
Very nice, actually.
Taste. Very nice.
Good. Now, chicken, I think, or pork?
Pork.
Pork, huh? I think it's pork. Babi. Very nice. Looks exactly like this. Autofocus work well, please. Okay, good. Looks like this one I already did half. Very good. We're gonna have a juice now for 20 baht, orange one. Basically small juice for 20 and big for 80. The big one is actually like a 1 liter bottle maybe.
Oh, this one is the famous Wang Lang bakery. I wanna buy one.
What's the name? Like this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. What they have it famous? They have a pizza, I can see. Okay, let's have a look. Wang Bakery since 1972. That's the name in case.
Let's try this one.
Okay, let's try.
For
Many things are already
55
sold out, but this one is still 55 baht. Many people actually buying the breads here, and that's how cool. Hello. Yeah, that's cool. Maybe not so
55?
many YouTubers here.
Okay.
55. Hello, thank you. The last section, what I want to tell you is there are some waffles, some another little pizzas, some girls selling something here like peanuts or something, cookies. Have something, but I have no idea what is it. Some macaronis here, and this is the queue, and this is the end of the market. Not sure if I was filming when I arrived here, so just want to make a shot one more time, like this zoom here. Also, the market will be finished in 2 hours from now. Actually, in 1.5 hours from now, there will be the closure of the market because they're closing at 6. So this is the last time to come here. Also nice satay at the end.
All right, that was our shopping in Wang Lang Market. Totally highly recommended. You know, if you want to go to the place beaten off the track and interact with the local. The thing is that even though they don't really speak English, but they are trying their best to help you.
All of the foods what you saw, what we are trying, the satays and the fish cake and the juice, coke, crumbles and something else what we forgot. The bakery, it cost us all together 225 bahts, I calculate, which is about $7 in total, and that's our production cost today. Not so bad because our tummies are full, so we are happy with that. Okay, we're gonna take a river taxi back home, and I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope so you enjoyed.
Honey,
See you tomorrow.
Wait, I need to buy that one, the roti.
See you later. Not see you. Stay with us. It's not finished yet.
Well,
Sayang, what else?
buying that, yeah.
What's that? Roti?
Roti.
Okay, roti coconut, roti corn, roti banana. Okay, let's see from the boys. Yo, what's up? Okay, what you want? Just choose lah. Quick. Sayang, you have all shoppings already, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, let's buy the ticket then. Orange line for 16 bahts, like this one. This is the one of the boats, green, yellow flag. This is not our, but the boats looking all the same actually. You have to only look for the what color of the flag is this. We are going orange, but as you can see, this one have a green, yellow. That was pretty fun actually trip to our local market today, right?
It's time to go home. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. No more shopping, lah.